I'm gonna go to the floor. Let's go. I'm not gonna put any outfit because I'm tired. Bro, you freaking. Oh my god, I just started! What? Okay, bye bye. I'm gonna go to the floor that I died and I got jump scared. Bro, how did he not see me? Let's go. Jump, jump, jump. I need my first one. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god. Okay, this is the place. How is he still here? What? And there's someone? Okay. I'm exploring this place. Ooh. I can't get there. Bro fell. Ow! It wasn't dead end after all. I just wanna explore. Oh, why did I come back? Okay. Give me away. No. What should I do? I think that's the thing that it's from the logo. Yeah, that's it. It's this thing. That one, yeah. Okay, bye bye.